Okay, I'm in the main dashboard for Motion Mail. As you can see, I'm on the free plan, and we are going to go ahead and create our first timer here. So here you'll see you have a selection of styles to work with. I'm going to select that style. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to select the date. In this case, I want it to be June 1st, and I'm going to end at 12 midnight. And I'm going to select my time zone. So just to make it quick, I'm going to put the word central in there. This is all okay. Primary color, that's that background color. I have my hex code saved here. I'm going to copy that. Whoops. I think I got it backwards. Let's see. Oops. Let me put that in here. Okay, the text. I'm not going to mess with that. I want the solid color. I guess this is the color on the text, so I want the text to be white. You'll see it's generating the preview here. Background color, I'm not going to change because the background's white. This is all okay. I'm going to save this timer. And I am going to, here's the code it generates. I'm going to copy that. I've got a document waiting here where I'm going to save that code. Now I'm going to paste it here, take the first character out, copy this, go to my email in FloDesk. I'm going to add a text block. Sorry, it's a little slow. I'm going to delete this text. I'm going to paste the code from InMail, and I'm going to add that first character back in. I'm going to click away from that. That'll save it, and it should pop up here automatically in just a minute. And that's all there is to it. You're all set. I wouldn't click back on in it because it'll disappear and you'll have to do it all over again, but basically that is all that is involved.